Hey up, you alright? What are we doing? I'm drinking that there rye beer that caused me all that trouble. Now, she's not clear. She wasn't ever going to be that clear, was it? After all that rubbish I put in. But it tastes really good. Spicy, it's got a really good mouthfeel. All the hassle of brewing it, would I brew it again? I think I probably would. Quite liked it. It's good, I like it. You might hear a bubbling. I've got a ESB from the Bible in the fermentation fridge. Got a fermentation fridge. I'm not going to go on about this, but I've got a fermentation fridge. Yeah, it's exciting. I've got some footage I'll pop in at some point. I also got myself vacuum sealer. Oh, I'm supposed to do that. Yeah, got myself vacuum sealer. That's working really well. It's going to look after my ops a bit better. Wasn't dear. 18 quid or something from Amazon or eBay. It's working really well. My wife ordered me some bags. Look at that. I am not sponsored by these people. I'm not going to have to buy some for a while, am I? Brilliant. I like it. What else have we had? The Inkbird is running my fermentation fridge. It's just within Wi-Fi. I'm in the garage at the minute. It's right the other side of the house. Down from corridor. It's quite a long corridor. It's in Wi-Fi. It's sitting. It's not dropping out. It's brilliant. Yeah, it's going really well.
Reading notes.
Just done a coffee stout. I brewed a coffee stout. That was really good. I drank my Big Banana beer males. I put a bit on BrewTube official, some pictures, but I didn't do a taste test. We know Big Banana can brew, and it can brew well, and it had just been insulting. My taste buds are wrecked by hot curries and pickled eggs. Curries, not together, separately. But I was doing my fermentation fridge the other day. As I was brewing an ESB, I was a bit distracted. I'm surprised that didn't go wrong, but it went really well. So my heater come just in time. Postwoman popped up at the door just as I was chilling down my ESB. So I slung that in, and thank you Mr. Clive Cutter for being there on BrewTube Official. I had to ask some questions, and he was the one that got straight back to me. So I wasn't concentrating, but it worked really well.
Reading notes again.
What else are we doing? I think we're about it. I've got some bits to inset, and yeah, it's all going great. I just had a birthday, and I've got some money kicking about, and doing this fermentation fridge has given me a bit of confidence really to try and do a Keyser or well, whatever you call the fridge one. Corny kegs. I'm going to buy, I've got some money, so I'm going to buy a couple now, but I'm going to buy them first, and then I'm going to get either a fridge or a freezer, and then I'll get the other bits to go with it. Those corny kegs are a bit expensive, aren't they? I think. They're not cheap. It's not a cheap thing to buy, is it? And I could do with 4 really. I'd like 4 different beers, or 1 conditioning and 3 on. So that's my next project. It might be a while before I get everything together. And you got to be careful, because these there seems to be a lot of these stubby ones, shorter, fatter ones, resold on places, sorry, because you want the taller ones apparently. You fit more of them in, and something like that. So that's my next plan, and I'm just going to do it bit by bit, I think. Anyway, cheers.
chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
Fridge done just in time as we are chilling the ESB down. Brilliant. ESB going in. Get a shot. Focus.
Open up, open up, open, open.
Found this in my water at the end of that ESB brew day. Any ideas? Could it be a non-dissolved protofloc? I don't know. "5 hours after pitching."
Like, subscribe and hit the bell.